to keep your safety belt fastened whenever seated. All our safety information is shown on the safety on board card placed in the seat pocket in front of you. Please make yourself familiar with its content. There is a life vest in a bag under your seat. The emergency exits in the rear and forward part of the cabin are all marked with exit signs. The way to these exits will be shown by lights along the floor. Look for your nearest exit. All our flights are non-smoking flights, and for safety reasons, smoking is never allowed in the aircraft lavatory. This includes electronic cigarettes. Please do not hesitate to contact the cabin crew if you have any questions. Thank you for your attention. We wish you a pleasant flight.
Dat is de jongste nog een paar jaar mee, maar is het just aan.